Hey y'all, look. Y'all know I got to have love for my daughter when I saying I'm finna go to her house cause she got to go somewhere. People, look at this. Look what I'm doing for my daughter. I am literally walking in this snow. Look at my feet. People, look. I am literally walking in the snow for my daughter. We've never had snow like this. Let me show y'all how close I am to my daughter's house. Her house is one of the houses farther you see right here, straight to me. That's her house. I'm finna get all over. I'm gonna say, you know I got to have love for you to get out of my bed to walk over here. Man, I never thought I'd live to see snow like this here. Wow. And I'm talking, well, it's some snow. Look here. I told you I was gonna start doing a travel video. I guess this is the way to start it. Man. I don't want to fall in this snow. Be the ugliest black snowman y'all ever see. I'm almost there. And you know what? I don't see nobody's footprints out here but mine. Footprints but mine. So that lets you know I'm the only crazy one out here. Man, my daughter, don't never say what you won't do for your kids. I never thought I'd be doing this. Oh my God. But I know she'll do it for me. I know it. Oh my God. And it's still snowing. I'm here, people. Mm-mm. Look. Look at it. Look here. Don't ever say what you would not do for your kids. Don't ever say it. Because you'll eat those words, I'm telling you. Oh my God. You see what I got on? Huh? Yeah. I know. Huh? My boots? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I got to get undressed. Look, I got too much stuff on. I was prepared.
What if I can't go?
You be able to go. Just go slow. Don't be hitting on brakes too much. Just go slow. I ain't even had. Yeah.
Let's try this out.
All right.
He's knocked out.
Okay.
Doing hair.
You what?
I'm doing hair.
Oh, you doing hair? Who hair you doing? Barbie's? Her name there? Baby. Lena. Oh, okay. So you doing Lena's hair? Okay, okay. I was just checking.
Why you get chicken?
I said I was checking to see what you was doing.
You sure you said chicken?
No, I ain't saying about no chicken.
Don't say that.
You must be hungry. You hungry?
I already ate.
Oh, you already ate. What you ate? Pizza.
And
Did you say your granddad or something? Huh?
it's in my thing.
Oh, there's some more in there? So I can have some? Oh. You now see you let me have everything else, but if I ask you for a honey bun, you won't let me have that. So can I have a slice of pizza and a honey bun? I can? Woo! I can't believe it. I cannot believe it.
Why do you not believe me?
Because you don't never let me have no honey bun. You know why I don't believe it. You don't never let me have no honey bun.
Papa,
Hmm?
you stole my side.
I know. I was thinking about throwing your head out there in it, throwing your face in that snow out there. That's what I was thinking about doing.
I could throw you this snowman.
You ain't finna make me out no snowman.
And then I am.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna put it in there and you not go to sleep.
You ain't. Oh, you trying to freeze me? Why you gonna do that?
I'm gonna make it ice.
No, you ain't gonna do that. Cause I'm gonna run.
No, you're
I
not.
bet you I run.
You can't run.
I'm gonna put these artificial knees to use. I'm gonna run.
Look,
I know when to run.
why that right in the street?
Yeah, that was snow, but it's melting. It's water now. It's water now. Cause snow is water. It's just water frozen. That's all. Yeah. Papa gonna get the mop and get all that up. I'm gonna wait till all that come off my shoes. But anyway, don't you want to put some clothes on so I can throw you out there in the snow?
That's
Why not? You don't want to land out there in the snow.
No, it's easy.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you land just like those airplanes be landing. I'll make you land just like that. I don't know. Can I make it land like that?
Nah, I'm for you outside.
Oh, you gonna throw me outside? No, you're not. It's too cold out there to be throwing me out there.
Yeah, that is.
I'm too old to be out there. You can't throw me out there. I'll be sick real fast if I go out there.
No, you're not.
Yes, I will. Your mama risking getting me sick now. Coming over here.
What?
I'm risking getting sick walking over here.
You can stand outside 100 minutes.
No, I cannot stand outside no 100 minutes.
Yes, I mean.
I'm not standing outside 100 seconds. I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh, I will not.
Yes, you are.
No, ma'am.
Yes, you
I will not.
Yes, I am.
No, I will not.
Yes,
When your mama come over here, when she comes back, I'm gonna be gone. I'm gonna be gone. I forgot to bring your honey buns again, but I'll bring them back. You got any more left in there? You got any more honey buns in there?
yeah, I ate one.
How many left? How many in the box in there?
It's 0.
You done ate all of them?
Yeah, it's 2 left.
It's 2 left.
Yeah, the other one right there.
Where?
It's in the fridge.
Okay, it's in the refrigerator. Who put it in there?
It's in the car.
Oh, it's on top of the refrigerator. Okay. Well, I'll be in there to steal. I'll be over there to get that in a minute. Can I steal? Get one?
Cause his birthday coming up.
I know, next month.
Yeah, you need to give him a present.
I'm gonna get him a present.
What he gonna get him a present?
I'm gonna get him a present.
A dinosaur?
Probably.
And
I got him a car last year. And he didn't even play with it. I'm gonna knock KC out for not playing with it.
look, he already put it there.
That ain't the one I bought him. Santa Claus bought that one.
And last time I got that.
I know.
And now it's snow.
I know.
It's snow outside.
Santa Claus, the snow came too late. Santa Claus already gone. The snow should have been here when Santa Claus got here.
Santa Claus Santa Claus got some put presents in our clothes.
Yeah, I know he put a lot of presents on the floor. I saw him. I came around here. You remember I came and looked at him, asked you what you got, and you showed me everything you had,
Yeah.
which I put together. But you showed me everything you had. But anyway, I just wanted y'all to know my daughter got me risking my life with 2 artificial knees, walking in the snow. And no, we ain't used to walking in no snow. Who ain't that your mama's fault, lady?
What?
That she got me walking out here like this.
What is it?
She got me walking over here to sit with you while she go handle some business. And I,
Mind your business.
who you telling to mind their business? I'll kick you with these snow boots.
Mind your business.
What? You mind your business, ma'am.
No, you got your business.
No, you mind your business. I'm minding my business.
No, you are my business.
Yeah. I ain't minding your business. I'm minding my own business.
Mind your business.
I did.
Mind your business, sir.
I think I'm gonna have to knock somebody out.
I don't knock you out.
What you gonna knock me out for? You don't even know if I'm talking about you. I might be talking about knocking somebody else
Mind
out.
your business.
You mind your business.
No, you got your business. Mind your business.
You mind your business.